Hello and welcome back to my channel Hindi Learning Made Easy. I'm Mamta and we are learning Hindi writing. We are learning Hindi Vyanjan. We have already learned to write and pronounce cha and cha in our previous lesson. Link is given below. You can go there and revise them. In this lesson, we will learn more words starting from cha and cha. To add fun to our learning, there will be a quiz with timer to test your knowledge. Please watch the video till the end and let's start. Let's revise. Cha. Cha se chai. Cha se chai. Cha. Cha se chhata. Chhata. Observe, cha is without ha sound, cha is with ha sound. Cha se chai. Next word, rice. Rice is chawal. Cha se chawal. Thief. Thief is chor. Cha se chor. Chai, chawal, chor. Chha se chhata. Walking stick. Chha se chhadi. Chhadi. Small. Small is chota. Chota. Chha se chota. Chhata, chhadi, chota. Fun time now. Let's do the quiz with timer. Look at the object on the screen and tell me the starting letter and name of the object in 8 seconds. So here we go. First object is on your screen and time starts now. Cha se chhadi. Next object. Cha se chai. Did you get it right? Next one. Cha se chota. Next. Cha se chawal. Next one. Cha se chor. Next and last. Cha se chhata. I hope you have enjoyed the quiz and learnt new Hindi words. Don't forget to paste these pictures in your picture book. Thanks for watching and learning Hindi with me. If you like my videos, please share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so far. धन्यवाद. फिर मिलेंगे with some more Hindi Vyanjan. Namaste.